Hi, and welcome to 4Industry. In this short video, we will explain what 4Industry is and how you can use it. 4Industry is a digital manufacturing operation system that helps customers improving operational efficiency by reducing the time it takes to either find or share information. 4Industry offers real-time analytics and monitoring tools over safety tasks, deviations, and ideas. It allows you to create tasks from anywhere thanks to the Android and iOS mobile app, offering a fully integrated user experience whether you're working from a desktop browser or a mobile device. Furthermore, it allows you to perform more in-depth analysis like the 5x why or manage the tasks of your team, greatly contributing to an improvement on the overall equipment effectiveness. By logging in with your personal account, we will make sure that you will only see the information that is relevant for you. For more information on 4Industry, visit and contact us at www.4industry.com.